All these luxury products are made from ethically sourced Dakasau crocodile leather, and after this introduction, there will be no more talking.
Log the juvenile enclosure at 22 degrees.
Confirmed. Not seeing any issues here.
The dashboard confirms enclosure 004A links to batch ID Sucroc 77BNY.
Noted. We will monitor their intake closely this week.
Skin condition looks excellent. No lesions or parasites noted.
Confirmed. Recording as grade A for quality control.
Check the grain right here under the light. Thus.
Looks perfect. No defects on this one either.
Look at this scar here. We have to reject this one. Understood. I'll mark this one as premium.
This one looks good. Check the underside.
Yeah, looks clean. The pressure seems right on the nozzles now.
The flow rate is slightly below target on batch 3.
Adjust the parameters remotely. We need to maintain consistency for the crocodile skins.
Is the mixed bead volume set according to the SOP?
Yes, confirming 500 liters for the batch. Dosing sequence initiating.
Watch that edge right there, make sure it's smooth.
Got it. Making sure the grain is perfect.
We need to increase the flow rate on the conditioning line by 10%.
Understood. Adjusting the parameters now.
A touch more of the yellow base should stabilize the tone.
Agreed. It needs to match the reference swatch exactly.
The finish on the emerald is consistent. Check the garnet batch.
Running the analysis.
Looks good. Confirm for cutting.
Make sure the optimization sequence is loaded correctly.
Already done. We are clear for the next batch.
This color saturation is perfect.
Agreed. The stitching on this seam is flawless.
Send it to the hall. Welcome to our Crocodile Leather Factory, where you will see the full process from farm to luxury boutique. After this introduction,
We're over 200,000 cycles now. Yeah.
The integrity is holding up perfectly. This batch is solid.
Packing in progress. Items loaded 12. Sealing initiated. Carton complete. Tracking ID 45987.
Dakasau crocodile leather, Hunyu, crafted with precision, responsibility, and passion.
our commitment begins with ethical sourcing and advanced wastewater treatment.
Ensuring every Dakasau product represents meticulous craftsmanship and